Hi friends, this is my 10th video on the series Name This Bird. I hope you have seen all my other videos. In my last video I showed you a bird. Did you recognize it? There were many birds flying in the sky, including the eagles and kites, and so many other different types of birds were flying in the sky. But I wanted you to recognize the bird that was sitting on the tree, the one which has got a white head and a brown body. Did you recognize it? Now that was an eagle. It is called bald eagle, and it's called bald not because it has got a bald head, but because it has got a white head. The bald eagle is a national bird of America, and you know eagles have very sharp eyes. They can see an animal on the ground from 200 miles above in the sky. They look for small animals like rats, rabbits, kittens, puppies, and so on. And when they see an animal on the ground, they immediately swoop down and pick it up. Today I have a small black bird for you. See if you can recognize it. If you can recognize it, then write its name in the comments box. And if you cannot recognize it, no problem, because I'll tell you its name in my next video. Now that you have seen the bird, did you recognize it? If you know its name, write its name in the comment box. And if you don't know its name, wait for my next video, because I'll tell you its name in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the like button, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends.